Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with SoFi credit monitoring notifications, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your SoFi app on your device. Log in using your account credentials. Once you're on the home screen, locate the menu icon in the top corner. Tap on the menu icon to open the navigation panel. Scroll down and find the option labeled Credit Monitoring. Select Credit Monitoring to proceed. You will see a section for notifications related to credit monitoring. Look for the option to enable notifications. Tap on Enable Notifications. Follow the prompted instructions to allow notifications on your device. You may be asked to adjust your device's notification settings. If so, go to your device settings and find the SoFi app. Make sure notifications are enabled. Return to the SoFi app once notifications are enabled. Confirm your settings within the app if prompted. After confirming, you should receive credit monitoring notifications. Monitor your notifications to stay updated on your credit status. That's it. You're now set up to receive SoFi credit monitoring notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.